Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10. This is KSEB model paper 2024-25. In the previous video, we have answered for part A, physics of paper 2. Now let us answer for part B, chemistry of paper 1. So it starts from 6th main. So 6th main, that is question number 13. So let us see what is the question number 13. The electrolysis of water to form hydrogen and oxygen is. So electrolysis of water is an example for among these four. The example is endothermic reaction because it absorbs energy in the form of electricity. Therefore, for the 13th question, the right option is option A, an endothermic reaction. Next, let us move for question number 14. The number of carbon and hydrogen atoms that are present in the molecule of the fifth member of alkene. So fifth member of alkene ನಲ್ಲಿ fifth member of alkene ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ fifth member ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಕೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇವನು ಈಥೀನ್. ಈಥೀನ್ C2H4 ಈಥೀನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಮೋಲಗಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ನು, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನು, ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ನು. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ನು, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನು, ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು, ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೀನ್. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಈಥೀನ್, ಪ್ರೋಪೀನ್, ಬ್ಯೂಟೀನ್, ಪೆಂಟೀನ್, ಎಕ್ಸೀನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ, 12 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇದೆ. 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 12 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. 6 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ and 12 hydrogen. Option is option C, 6 and 12. Now let us move for question number 15. The property of carbon atom to form bond with other atoms to give rise large molecules is called catenation. For fifth one, option B, catenation. Now let us move for question number 16. In the question number 16, that is 7th main, question number 16. How rancidity be controlled? Rancidity na hege control ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? One is by using antioxidants. Then the second one is by keeping oil food items in airtight container. Now let us move for question number 17. The question number 17 given, the pH value of an antacid is more than 7. Give reason. Because pH more than 7 is base. Base will neutralize acid present in stomach. Next, let us move for 18th question. The conversion of ethanol into ethanoic acid is called oxidation reaction. Why? Because by gaining oxygen ethanol is oxidized to ethanoic acid. Next, let us move for eighth main, that is question number 19. So question number 19, what are structural isomers? Write the structural isomers of butane are. What are functional group? Name the functional group present in propanol and propanol. So let us answer question number 19. What are structural isomers? The organic compound, having same molecular formula but different structural formula is called structural isomers. For that one, what are the structure? Write the structural isomers of butane. One is normal butane, another one is isobutane. So normal butane C4H10, isobutane C4H10. Structure 1, 2, 3, 4. So everywhere single bond. This is straight chain. In isobutane 1, 2, 3, then 4. So tetravalent ಮಾಡಿ 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, here on 4. 1, 2, 3. This is branched chain. So these are the two isomers of butane. ಸೊ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್? ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್, the group of organic compound, in which a hydrogen is replaced by an atom or group of other atoms or group of other atoms of element. Then they have asked, so what is the functional group of propanol? ProPanal. So this is aldehyde. It belongs to a functional group called aldehyde. ProPanol. So it ends with OL, so it is alcohol. If it ends with Al, aldehyde. It ends with OL, it is alcohol. Now let us move for question number 20th. How do blue and red litmus help to determine the nature of acid and bases? So let us answer this question now. So blue litmus, take a blue litmus and dip in a solution. If it changes to red, then the solution is acid. Then take red litmus take a red litmus paper and dip in a solution. If it changes its color to blue, then the solution is base. So like this we have to, this is 20th question. Now let us move for 21st question. So in the 21st question they have given, write any two differences between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So let us differentiate between saturated and unsaturated. So saturated, then unsaturated. Saturated, it has single bond. It has double or triple bond. Then the second one is, it is less reactive. It is more reactive. So these are the differences between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Then 22nd question is a diagram question. That is action of steam on metal. Then let us move for 23rd question. So in the 23rd question they have given, write the balanced chemical equation for the following reaction: burning of natural gas, reaction of potassium metal with water, reaction of iron with copper sulfate solution. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. So burning of natural gas, first one, burning of natural gas. So when the natural gas is burnt, that is natural gas is methane. When it is burnt with air, oxygen, so it forms carbon dioxide and liberates water, and it forms water plus heat plus light. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ 2O2, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 1 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ 4 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2H2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ O2 ಇಲ್ಲೆರಡು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2 2s are 4 hydrogen, 4 oxygen and 4 hydrogen. So this is the balanced equation for the first one. Second one, reaction of potassium metal with water. So 2K plus 2H2O give rise to 2KOH plus H2O. Sorry, 2K plus 2H2O give rise to, so potassium hydroxide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So along with the potassium hydroxide, so gas will be released, and that gas is hydrogen gas, not water, sorry, hydrogen gas release ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2K plus 2H2O give rise to 2KOH plus H2. It is an exothermic reaction because energy will be released in the form of heat, and it releases a gas called hydrogen. Reaction of iron with copper sulfate solution, Fe plus CuSO4 give rise to FeSO4 plus Cu deposited. So ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. what is the type of chemical reaction in which barium chloride solution reacts with aluminum sulfate solution Write the balanced equation for this reaction. So what is the type of chemical reaction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, the type of the chemical reaction is either we can call it as precipitation reaction or you can call it as double displacement reaction. So we have to write the balanced equation for this one. Barium chloride, so BaCl2 when combines with sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4, give rise to 2NaCl plus BaSO4. This BaSO4 is white PPT. So this is the balanced equation. Now let us move for question number 24. You are provided with substance sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, hydrogen and chlorine. Which of these material will be chosen to prepare bleaching powder? Write the chemical name and molecular formula of bleaching powder and mention 2 uses of it. So let us answer this question now. So ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, this is 24th question. So calcium hydroxide ಬೇಕು, then chlorine ಬೇಕು. So calcium hydroxide ಮೂಲಕ chlorine na pass ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so we'll get bleaching powder. Then what is the chemical name? So chemical name it will be calcium oxychloride. Then chemical formula CaOCl2. Then uses, used as an disinfectant. And the second one, to bleach cotton and linen in textile industries. So this is for 24th question. Now let us answer the last question of chemistry, that is of paper 1, that is 25th question. So the 25th question is, explain the extraction of zinc metal from its sulfide ore. Show the formation of sodium chloride molecule by transfer of electrons. So let us answer 25th question now. So step number 1, concentration of ore, that is removal of ganj particles. Earthly impurities na remove madade concentration of ore. Then coming to second step number 2, that is heating of ore, heating of ore in presence of oxygen, in presence of oxygen to convert sulfide ore into oxide ore. That is, we have to go for roasting. So ZnS plus 2ZnS give rise to plus O2 give rise to 2ZnO plus 2SO2. That is zinc oxide, zinc sulfide. So we are going to roasting, that is heating of ore in presence of oxygen to convert sulfide ore into oxide ore, and sulfur dioxide as a byproduct it is released. Then step number 3, by using reducing agent like carbon, oxide ore is reduced to metal. ZnO plus zinc, ZnO plus carbon give rise to Zn plus CO. So here what the metal we are getting? It is a crude metal. So like this, from zinc sulfide we are getting zinc. Then ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು B question ಇದೆ. This is question A. Now let us move for question B. So question B, step number 1. Metal loses electrons. Metal loses electrons. So here sodium is a metal, configure atomic number 11. So it can be, electrons can be distributed as 2, 8, 1. Sodium atom having 2, 8, 1. By losing one electron, sodium atom will become sodium ion. This is step number 1. Then step number 2. So non-metal gains electrons. So here non-metal is chlorine having atomic number 17. So KLMN. So that is 287. So by gaining one electron, chlorine atom having configuration 2, 8, 7. By gaining one electron, it will become chloride ion, Cl minus. It will become 2, 8, 8. Then step number 3. Formation of sodium chloride. Na having one electron plus Cl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sodium, a metal which transfer one electron to non-metal chlorine to form a ionic compound called sodium chloride. So like this, formation of sodium chloride will take place. By this successfully we have answered for all the questions of part B, chemistry of model paper of KSEB 1. In the next video we are going to answer for part B, chemistry of model paper 2. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thanks for everyone who is supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.